is tagged better and safer alternative growth boosters for broilers growth today. These are the ones you can use. We have amino acid, lysine, methionine, and threonine. These are the three major ones you can use. Another one is probiotic and enzymes. Another one is natural growth promoters like garlic, ginger, turmeric, moringa, aloe vera, and soursop leaves. Well formulated feed with balanced nutrients is enough for your broilers to grow. So if you are feeding a broiler, other starter, grower, or finisher, and they are not growing according to the way you think they should grow, maybe when you're using the other feed, what you do is get garlic, ginger, turmeric, moringa, aloe vera, and soursop, combine them and add to the feed, or give the extra to them and see the amazing results you're going to get. Right now, with synthetic hormone boosters that are banned, all these ones are banned in different countries, so we're not more using them. So in this particular video, I'm going to give you well formulated poultry feed recipe with balanced nutrients for broiler starter 0 to 3 weeks, broiler grower 3 to 5 weeks, broiler finisher 5 weeks till market, and layers feed 18 weeks onward. So relax, I'm going to give you all this in this particular video. So what you do is copy out the feed formula. These are one of the best formula you can use to make your own feed if you have the technical know-how to do it. These are the feed formulas. 1. Broiler starter feed formula 0 to 3 weeks. Target is rapid early growth and strong immunity. Crude protein is between 22 to 24% crude protein. Energy is 3,000 calories per kilogram. That is what you are going to get from this particular feed. 1 is corn or maize. Use yellow corn, please. 50 kg. Soya bean meal 25 kg. Groundnut cake 10 kg. Fish meal, that is for animal protein. If you're using fish meal, please look for crude feed. Don't look for adulterated fish meal. It's not going to give you results. Use crude feed, please. The one you see live and grind it by yourself. 5 kg or 5%. Then bone meal 2%. Blood meal, use blood meal 2%. Wheat offal 3%. Use methionine 0.25%. Lysine 0.25%. Salt 0.25%. Broiler premise 0.25%. Total of 100 kg feed. The next one here is broiler grower feed formula. 3 to 5 weeks. This is a feed formula we've been using, and we've been using it working for us. So I want to give it to you so that you repeat this secret so that you use it. Stop using banned hormone boosters. They are not good for our health. Maize here in this broiler grower feed formula. This formula is targeted for maximum growth, preparing for weight gain. Crude protein is 20 to 21. Energy is 2,950 calories per kilogram. Now, the ingredients you need in this particular feed is maize. Use yellow, please, 55%. Soya bean meal, 20%. Groundnut cake meal, 10%. Fish meal, 3%. Bone meal, use 2%. Wheat offal, use 7.5% or 7.5 kg. I don't hear percent or kg because I'm working under 100. Then wheat offal, 7.5 kg. Methionine, 0.25. Lysine 0.25 and salt 0.25. Broiler premise 0.25. This will give you 100 kg feed formula. The next one here is broiler finisher feed formula. 5 weeks till maturity. Target maximum weight gain and feed conversion. That's what we target here. Crude protein here is 18 to 19% crude protein. And energy here we need is 3,000 to 3,100 calories per kilogram. And the feed ingredients you are using here is 1. Maize 60% or 60 kg. Soya bean meal 15 kg. Groundnut cake we are using 8 kg. Wheat offal we are using 10 kg. Fish meal we are using 3 kg. Bone meal we are using 2 kg. Blood meal we are using 1 kg. Methionine 0.25. Lysine 0.25. Salt 0.25. Broiler premise 0.25. This gives us 100 kg. Now, for those of you that are into laying birds, let me add your own today in this particular video so that you get all of them together. Now, layers feed with powerful growth. Give you another video where I'm going to make use of all these organics alone. No more synthetic here. All these organic plants, I'm going to add them in that formula. So that formula is coming after this. Please make sure you watch it also. Now, layers feed here is layers feed formula. 18 weeks and onward till they start laying egg until they stop laying egg. Target is strong egg production and shell quality. Crude protein here is 16 to 17% crude protein. Energy 2,700 to 2,800 calories per kilogram. And calcium here is high. That is 3.5 to 4.5. Calcium, strong bone and strong eggshell. Now, what are the ingredients that is required to get this feed done? One is corn. You can use white corn here. Soya bean. Corn is 50 kg. Soya bean meal 20 kg. Wheat offal 15 kg. Groundnut cake 5 kg. Fish meal 2 kg. Bone meal 2 kg. Then lysine 0.15. Methionine 0.15. Premise 0.25. Salt 0.25. Limestone for shell formation 5% or 5 kg. Bone meal 2%. Fish meal 2%. Groundnut cake 5%. This is all you need to get this particular feed well done. Please, the premise should contain essential minerals and vitamins. That is like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin B complex. When we're talking about B complex, it's almost all the vitamins in vitamin B, vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, and rest of them. Trace minerals like zinc, magnesium, manganese, selenium, and copper, all of them, and iron. All these are for faster growth. They should also have coccidiosis for coccidiosis that prevent them from having coccidiosis. Adjust fish to blood meal and soya bean depending on the availability of the budget. Please, you can use fish meal, blood meal, or soya bean meal depending on their availability and budget. That's what you need to do. Then use clean water and maintain adequate biosecurity and vaccination schedule. Don't play with your vaccination no matter the reason, please. And biosecurity is very important. Make sure you secure the chickens both from human and from animals and from other crawlers within the environment that can jeopardize their health. Please share this video to reach more farmers. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe and activate the bell notification so that anytime I come with updates on this particular video or any other topic on poultry and livestock farming, you get notified by this wonderful app. Remember, we have two major channels, the Poultry TV and Dr. Luna Charles. These are two major channels where we discuss everything about poultry and livestock animals, both chicken, different chicken, broilers, all the feathered and four-legged animals, cow, sheep, goat, cattle, guinea pig, and rest of them. We discuss them in this particular channel. And if you have any question concerning any of these animals I mentioned here, feel free and drop it on the question. I will always answer and guide you. Do well also to subscribe to our channel as we are growing your business. Let us grow this channel also so that we get enough fund to carry on with the training that is going on in this particular channel. Thank you. For those of you that are already in our community membership, God will always bless you and continue to prosper you. In our channel membership, God will always prosper you in your business. Please, those of us that are our followers, our subscribers, please try and subscribe to this, our channel members, Titlayo, Taiwo, Slow 24 TV, Amaka, Alo, and Janet Nwigwe. All of you are our channel members. Continue to be our channel members. Please, I will release a video where I'll give you my contact so that anytime you have an issue regarding your poultry, please just call me directly. I will always attend to you. In as much as you want this channel to move forward, your poultry or your business must move forward. I'll make sure that it will move forward. I'll release a video for you where I'll give you all my contacts. Call me at any time. I will always attend to you to make sure you are moving forward in your business. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video to reach more farmers. Till I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. That topic is on the organic boosters that can be added to your feed. They are purely organic. Watch this video and make sure you watch it. Subscribe to our both channels so that I may post them in any of the channels you may not know. It may not be in this particular